Can I be a movie with my fish?
You are in a movie with your fish, and Daddy's big tummy is in the picture too. You're very pretty, Ari. I'm just looking for little Brian in the fish tank. He's hiding.
One of the major problems is getting some of the supplies to do that. Construction supplies are very, very limited right now. There's a shortage of lumber, paint, even appliances.
You ready to get Brian?
No, don't do that.
Yeah, well, it's fine. Always do this.
He's hiding under that?
Yeah.
Don't squish him.
Pull it out. Move.
Oh yeah, there he is. He's hiding. No, not
Can I
really.
pick it up now?
I don't really see. He's like staying there. I don't think I can really see him. Are you squishing him?
Am I?
Yeah, you are. He's like, he's right there. You're gonna squish him. Now he's gone. He's like going right back under there. Ooh, you just like scraped him. He's crazy.
See me.
Baby, I don't want to take a picture of your hand.